Hello guys, it's Washer Lad 2014 here, but you know I'm at my usual shop, Refurnish. Yeah, but and I'm actually going to be working here as I will be officially volunteering here as of next Tuesday. Every Tuesday I will work here. I will work in here. Which we got some where I will pack test with someone with all the machines. Yeah. Got that's a Whirlpool 6. That's an original Whirlpool 6 Sense AWZ 681. Yeah, I would love the washing machine version of this. And yeah, so the washing machine we packed test. That's an inset drum at the bottom over there. And yeah, I'm going to show you all the machines that's an AEG. This is an AEG 74640 update. That does not sound good. I don't know what it is that's doing it. So yeah, it's the first time I've seen a machine with its like top off, and there appears to not be a concrete wing on it. I don't know. And yeah, we're gonna just look at the machines in here. Well, my first machine is a Hot Point Aquarius WMF560. Got the slidey door, got all the programs. Got child lock, got all the options here. That's a small. Oh, that's. Does sound a bit quieter than most of these machines sound. Got a Bosch Classic 1200 Express. Yeah, got all the programs here. Yeah, I love the metal drum panels. My Whirlpool's got that. Drum looks a bit dented. Though. Well, I've got some new Abbot cycles, the WF1021W. Now, I am a big fan of these machines. These are all the programs. Oh, it's going to be hot. It does look a bit. Oh, hang on. I've got states. Looks like an essentials like MIDI. It looks MIDI to me. That's a really small drum. Now the next machine is a vintage one, and Brandon Thompson, if you're watching this, Florence Valde 660. This is for you. It's a WM63, but I don't know what colour it's in, but yeah, it's a classic. I'm sure I might encounter many classics while I'm here. Got all the options here. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try and... No, I'm not going to bother. And also, we have another surprise. Another leader. It's a Novatronic W844. I think Laundry Kid 2005 has a machine like this. But can have 3 of those options. Right? There's all the programs. And this is a new Seat Recycle. Oh, I can't. Oh, there we go. This one looks like the range, but yeah, this is a mechanical timer model. I mean that's. Oh, it's an FLA 1001W. Yeah. It's a really small drum. Oh, I'm not going to bother. Door seals very mouldy. And finally, this is the final machine. No, it's not the final, but it's a Hot Point WF250. 1500 RPM spin. Yeah, so those are good machines here. I'm gonna see if it's a super silent model or not. No, I think that looks like the chocolate sauce might go in. Berries might be. Yeah, I'm gonna. That's all the machines here. Yeah, there are some kind of new machines here. We've got Indesits there, got an Index. And shit, they're not good. Oh, hot points as well. Just Indesit made machines. I'll just see what's in there. Got some. Yeah, there are a few. There's more Indesits and hot points there. There is a Bosch here, which is the last machine I'll show, and yeah, it's I don't know the model number. I don't think this one hasn't been tested yet. This one hasn't been tested yet. It's got a pretty big drum. Just put that in. Yeah, just checking the machines in here, there might be. Yeah, there's just more Indesits and hot points. It's just the new shitty machines. Yeah, we've got an AEG dryer Bosch dishwasher. And yeah, and I'm really looking forward to working here, volunteering here. Hopefully I'll get to test some amazing machines. Hopefully I'll be able to test some classics as well. And yeah, well, thank you very much all for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to like the video, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss out on any of my videos. And yeah, and I will maybe see you next week. I will see you here next week when I officially start, and hopefully there'll be some good machines. And yeah, well, thank you very much all for watching. Goodbye.